What's up, everyone? If you've checked the crypto charts, you know Pi Network is making serious waves. The PI token just surged 16% in the last 24 hours. People are buzzing, and so am I. What's behind this explosive move? Is Pi finally going to the moon, or is this just another hype cycle? In this video, I'll break down the top 3 reasons for Pi's massive surge: community buzz, market trends, and some game-changing developments. Buckle up and let me know in the comments, is this the start of a bull run or just temporary hype? Let's dive in. The air is thick with anticipation. You can practically feel the energy crackling online. First up, the #Pi 2-day celebration is sending shockwaves through the Pi community. It's more than just a date on the calendar, it's a phenomenon. This isn't just another day, it's the Super Bowl for Pi fans, a culmination of months, even years of dedication and belief in the project. The excitement is palpable, mirroring the energy of a major sporting event or a highly anticipated concert, and this year the hype is off the charts. We're seeing levels of engagement and speculation that dwarf previous years. The market is buzzing and everyone is waiting with bated breath. Everyone's speculating that the core team might finally announce the open mainnet, the moment the Pi network truly becomes a fully functional, decentralized cryptocurrency. This is the holy grail for Pi miners, the realization of the project's core promise. It represents the transition from a closed test environment to a fully operational, independent blockchain. Every tweet, every update is being dissected for clues, analyzed for hidden meanings, and scrutinized for any hint of what's to come. The social media sphere is alive with speculation and anticipation. This constant analysis is fueling a frenzy of excitement and FOMO. Nobody wants to be left behind when or if the big announcement drops. The fear of missing out is a powerful motivator. Investors are scrambling to accumulate Pi before any big news drops, positioning themselves to capitalize on the potential price surge. They're seeing this as a strategic opportunity to get in before the masses, all hoping for a price explosion, a surge that could potentially change their financial futures. The potential for significant returns is driving much of the current activity. The #Pi 2-day is trending globally, dominating social media conversations and drawing attention from all corners of the world. This global trend is drawing in millions and attracting new investors who don't want to miss out on what could be a groundbreaking moment for the Pi network. They're seeing the potential and want to be a part of it. For early adopters, this is validation for years of patience and daily mining, a reward for their unwavering commitment to the project. The Pi core team is known for dropping major updates or partnerships on #Pi 2-day, making it a date circled on every Pi enthusiast calendar. So even if the open mainnet isn't announced, traders expect something big, something that will further solidify Pi's position in the crypto landscape. The anticipation is like the days before a new iPhone launch, a frenzy of speculation and excitement. Rumors, leaks, and fever-pitch excitement are swirling around the Pi network, creating an electric atmosphere. This hype is driving demand, squeezing supply, and pushing the price higher. Basic economics are at play here, with increased demand and limited supply leading to upward price pressure. Influencers, YouTubers, and crypto news sites are amplifying the buzz, spreading the word, and further fueling the excitement, bringing even more attention to Pi and putting it firmly in the spotlight of the cryptocurrency world. The core team's strategic silence and subtle hints are building suspense, creating a sense of mystery and intrigue around the project, and keeping everyone engaged, actively participating, and eagerly awaiting the next piece of the puzzle. Millions are betting on a life-changing announcement, hoping that Pi will be their ticket to financial freedom, overriding doubts and skepticism, fueled by a strong belief in the project's potential and the core team's vision. The sense of unity and shared purpose is making the community stronger and more determined than ever before. Trading volumes are exploding, indicating a surge in activity and a strong interest in acquiring Pi, showing that people are putting real money behind the hype, demonstrating their conviction in Pi's future. Even if the biggest news doesn't drop, the event itself will bring positive attention to the Pi network, raising awareness and attracting new users, and likely some exciting ecosystem updates showcasing the ongoing development and expansion of the Pi network. Investors are pricing in the best-case scenario, anticipating significant gains and factoring in the potential for future growth, making Pi an attractive buy right now, especially for those who believe in its long-term potential. In short, hash pi today is a gravitational force pulling everything towards it, pulling in speculation, capital, and excitement from across the crypto world, creating a powerful wave of momentum. It's the number one reason for Pi's incredible surge, driving its price and popularity to new heights. The second reason? Well, let's dive into the exciting world of crypto and see what's fueling this surge. The entire crypto market is on fire, blazing a trail of green candles and surging prices across the board. It's a sight to behold for any crypto enthusiast, and Pi is riding the wave, catching the momentum and surfing towards new heights. It's not just floating along, it's actively participating in this market-wide surge. Bitcoin and Ethereum are surging, leading the charge and setting the pace for the rest of the market. Their performance is crucial in setting the overall tone, creating a bullish environment that lifts all projects, including Pi. A rising tide lifts all boats, and Pi is certainly benefiting from this market-wide upswing. When big players do well, investors look for the next breakout, searching for the next hidden gem that could potentially explode in value. And Pi, with its massive community, becomes a prime target. The sheer size of the Pi network community makes it an attractive prospect for investors seeking growth. Bull markets make people feel richer, more confident, and more willing to explore new investment opportunities and more willing to take risks on altcoins with huge upside potential. Investors are actively seeking diversification and are willing to allocate capital to promising altcoins like Pi. Optimism is high, fear is low, creating a fertile ground for growth and innovation in the crypto space. And new retail investors are flooding in, eager to participate in the crypto revolution and potentially reap the rewards. Drawn by the promise of easy mobile mining and the accessibility of cryptocurrency through their smartphones, the hash pi two-day hype is amplified by this bullish backdrop, creating a perfect storm of positive sentiment and market momentum, like pouring gasoline on a roaring fire, accelerating the already rapid growth and excitement surrounding Pi. Altcoin season mentality is in full swing, with investors actively seeking out alternative cryptocurrencies with high growth potential. And Pi is in the spotlight for traders hunting the next big pump, attracting attention from those looking for quick gains. Technical indicators across the market are strong, signaling a continuation of the bullish trend and further potential for growth, with resistance levels breaking and trading volumes up, indicating strong buying pressure and investor confidence. Institutional money is legitimizing crypto, bringing credibility and stability to the market, attracting even more investors, making even speculative projects like Pi more attractive, as investors become more comfortable with the overall crypto landscape. Favorable macroeconomic conditions like potential interest rate cuts are creating a more risk-on environment, encouraging investors to seek higher returns, are pushing investors toward high-return assets like crypto, as they search for opportunities to outpace traditional investments. Pi's surge isn't happening in a vacuum. It's deeply intertwined with the overall market dynamics and sentiment. It's supercharged by a market-wide bull run, amplifying its potential and attracting even more attention. If the market were bearish, Pi's momentum would be much harder to sustain, facing headwinds and resistance from negative sentiment. The combination of external market strength and internal community hype creates a powerful force driving Pi's price action. Is creating explosive price action leading to dramatic chart spikes and volatile trading activity. Positive sentiment acts as a safety net, cushioning potential downturns and encouraging long-term investment, making investors less likely to panic sell, even during periods of market volatility, contributing to overall stability. The synergy between the bull market and hash pi two-day is creating a powerful catalyst for growth and adoption, is fueling a self-reinforcing cycle of growth, where positive news and price action attract more investors, further driving up the price. Pi's community deserves credit for their unwavering support and dedication to the project, but the market's giant wave is giving them the perfect ride, providing the ideal conditions for Pi to thrive. Like a skilled surfer on a massive wave, Pi is navigating the complexities of the market with skill and precision. Pi is making the most of these ideal conditions, capitalizing on the positive momentum and attracting new users and investors. That's why the timing couldn't be better for Pi's surge, aligning perfectly with the overall bullish market sentiment and creating a unique opportunity for growth. The third reason for Pi's surge, let's delve into the heart of the matter. Beyond the initial excitement and speculative buzz, there lies a foundation of genuine development and expansion. This isn't just about numbers on a screen, it's about the tangible progress being made within the Pi network itself, real tangible growth. We're talking about concrete advancements, not just promises or potential, in the Pi ecosystem. This encompasses everything from the increasing number of active users to the development of practical applications and the expansion of the network's infrastructure. It's a holistic expansion that strengthens the entire Pi foundation. Pi isn't just hype. It's not a fleeting trend or a flash in the pan. It's a global movement, a collective of individuals from all corners of the world, united by a shared vision of a more accessible and equitable digital currency, with tens of millions of engaged users. These aren't just passive observers, they are active participants in the Pi network, contributing to its growth and development. The user base keeps growing, steadily and consistently. This organic growth is a testament to the value and appeal of the Pi network, bringing more potential for apps and a wider range of services that can be built on the Pi platform. Nodes, which are the backbone of the network, ensuring its security and stability, and a vibrant economy brimming with possibilities for innovation and entrepreneurship. Once the open mainnet launches, this pivotal moment will unlock the full potential of the Pi network, allowing for seamless transactions and widespread adoption. The Pi ecosystem is evolving fast, adapting to the ever-changing landscape of the digital world, with real applications being developed and deployed, showcasing the practical utility of Pi. Marketplaces, games, social apps, all designed to enhance the user experience and expand the functionality of the Pi network, being built through hackathons and developer programs fostering a collaborative and innovative environment. Utility is key. It's the driving force behind the Pi network's long-term success. The more you can do with Pi, the more ways it can be used in everyday life, the more valuable it becomes. This intrinsic value is what sets Pi apart from purely speculative cryptocurrencies. The Pi core team is accelerating innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with the Pi network. With tools like PiOS, a dedicated operating system designed to streamline development and enhance the user experience, making it easier for developers to build and share their creations with the Pi community. Every new app adds value, expanding the Pi network's capabilities and attracting more users, just like the early days of the Apple App Store when each new application unlocked a world of possibilities. Progress on KYC, or Know Your Customer procedures, is building trust and compliance within the Pi network, ensuring that it operates within legal and ethical frameworks, making the network safer and more secure for all participants, and more attractive to serious investors who are looking for projects with strong fundamentals and a commitment to security. The number of active nodes is rising, indicating a growing and healthy network infrastructure, showing a committed, decentralized community that is actively contributing to the Pi network's success. Hints of major partnerships and integrations with established businesses are starting to surface, are fueling investor confidence and creating a sense of anticipation within the Pi community. One big announcement could send Pi soaring to new heights, solidifying its position in the cryptocurrency market. The community is self-sustaining, driven by a shared belief in the Pi network's potential, with local meetups, educational content, and online forums where pioneers can connect, learn, and collaborate, and businesses springing up around Pi, demonstrating the real-world demand for Pi-based products and services. Word-of-mouth growth is driving adoption, spreading awareness of the Pi network to new audiences, without a massive marketing budget, relying instead on the enthusiasm and dedication of its community members. Updates to the Pi browser and wallet are constantly being rolled out, are improving user experience, making it easier and more intuitive for people to interact with the Pi network, paving the way for mass adoption and the widespread use of Pi as a digital currency. The team's focus on utility and user experience is a key differentiator, setting Pi apart from other cryptocurrencies that prioritize speculation over practicality. Sets Pi apart from speculative projects, positioning it as a long-term player in the digital currency space. Merchants in various countries around the world are already accepting Pi, demonstrating its potential as a viable payment method, even before the open mainnet has officially launched, showcasing the confidence that businesses have in the Pi network. Proving real-world use and demonstrating the tangible benefits of the Pi network, viral stories of people buying coffee with Pi or pizza with Pi are circulating online, capturing the imagination of the Pi community, reinforce the dream and boost confidence in the Pi network's potential to revolutionize the way we transact. The surge isn't just hype. It's not based on empty promises or fleeting trends. It's backed by a growing community of dedicated individuals who are passionate about the Pi network's mission, and a blossoming ecosystem of applications, services, and businesses that are built on the Pi platform. Investors see real progress being made within the Pi network, from the development of new technologies to the expansion of its user base, and are betting on Pi's long-term success, recognizing its potential to disrupt the traditional financial system. The story of Pi is about building something new, something innovative, and something that has the potential to change the world. A new digital economy from the ground up, empowering individuals and creating opportunities for economic growth. This fundamental strength, this commitment to building a sustainable and equitable digital currency, is the third pillar behind Pi's price surge, solidifying its position as a cryptocurrency with real potential and a bright future. So, those are the top 3 reasons Pi network is exploding right now. Insane hash Pi 2-day hype, a red-hot crypto market, and real ecosystem growth. It's the perfect storm. What do you think is next for Pi? Will the open mainnet launch on Pi 2-day? Drop your predictions in the comments. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more updates. We'll be covering every major development as it happens. Thanks for watching. This is an incredible time to be in crypto, and I'm glad you're here for the ride. See you in the next video.